The water point for what?
For the runners, so that like when the runners come, they can get refreshed again.
Just give them cups.
Why do you do this?
So that the runners can rebuild be hydrated and rebuild more energy.
They get more energy so they can finish off the race.
After 10 Ks to go, I'm feeling that I'm winning this race.
You want to say something?
No, I'm very happy, man. I'm very happy.
Congratulations.
House of Horrors from last year, injuries the whole year. I'm very chuffed after the race because I took a long while to get back, but I'm very glad and just praise the Lord for that.
Now, on the dam, I mean, this is a multiple winner now. I think you're the record holder for the number of wins in the ladies. Are you always going to come back here?
Yeah, I love this race. It's always been one of my favorites. Very nicely organized and the crowd is awesome along the way. So yeah, it's one of my favorites.
Congratulations with your blue number. How do you feel about that?
Thanks very much. Very proud. It's a very tough race. Very good quality, tough race. And I would recommend it to any runner.
Rudy, goeiedag. Hoeveel races van om die dam het jy al gedoen?
Vandag was my 20ste wedloop. In Hartbeespoort marathon se klapklere gehardloop. Is nogal 'n voorreg, want ons is gewoond om die klapwedloop te hardloop en dit is baie lekker om 'n bietjie die groot wedloop te hardloop. Baie dankie.
Oh nee, het was fantastisch.
Is dit?
Ek het elke keer aan my koud gekry, partykeer was hy warm, partykeer was hy ijskoud. Heerlik.
Sou jy iemand aanbeveel om hierdie wedloop te kom doen?
Natuurlijk.
How did you experience the water tables?
Oh, they were very good. Very close together and very nice.
Is it? And the quality of the water?
Oh, very good as well.
Oh, how many Old Mutual Omnidam is this?
I think this is the third one.
Great.
Yeah.
Tell me, how was the quality of the water and how was the water
Oh,
table?
it was great when the support as well. It was wonderful.
Is it?
Yes.
Will you recommend this race to somebody else?
Yes, definitely.
And will you be back next year?
Yes.
Have a nice day. Thanks
Thank
for coming.
you.
Okay. Timmy says, did you enjoy the race here?
Yes, I enjoyed. I always enjoy.
I'm the race organizer of Old Mutual
Well
Omnidam.
organized.
Is it
I
well
always love it.
Will you recommend this race to somebody else again?
Yes.
And will you be back next year?
I will be back until this
How
is my
was-
fifth one.
Is it?
Yes. I'll
And
be
how
back.
was the organization?
Organization was perfect. 100%.
Okay, thanks for coming. Enjoy the day.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Hi, my name is Mukaedi Tilotsote. I'm the General Manager for Marketing at Old Mutual. Firstly, I love Omnidam. I've done it a few times. Old Mutual is interested in sponsoring road running, and we're very proud of this initiative with the Hartebeers community that we have. It's one of the premier ultra marathons in the country, and I think actually it ranks amongst the top 4. Beyond road running and engaging with the community through sport, we've got corporate social investment initiatives that we're running in the Hartebeers community. There's a school here called the Meerhof School, and we contribute part of the race takings actually go to that school. And Old Mutual also contributes money to that school. We paint the school every year. We contribute to the purchase of computer equipment that is used in the school. So we're very active in this community.